Wala na ako doon. You know how much I hate politics? Not hate, how I hated it.
Yeah, because of
I
what we've
hated
been
it
through,
because of
yeah.
what Dad went through.
Yeah.
The betrayal, you know, the backstabbing.
Everything.
All of a sudden, wala na lang yung friends mo. Alam mo. And we went through that so many times, diba? And I feel that God only prepared me for where I am now. Because if Dad was here, you know, he would be the most proudest.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Yeah.
Happy rin siguro siya may talk show ako.
Oh yeah, happy yun. May talk show ka.
Ano ba yan? Wait lang. Okay.
Ayaw mo na mag-talk show.
Ano pala,
Sabi ko
emotion
sa'yo,
ko pala yung ano
mag-variety ka na
dito.
lang.
Hindi ako na-prepare sa part na to, ah. Ano yung isang importanteng lesson na natutunan mo bilang ina?
I'm still learning.
Yeah.
I'm at lost